scholar po ako, walang araw na hindi nagpapasalamat ang nanay ko sa SM Foundation dahil po sa tulong na ibinigay nila sa akin. May ino-offer din po kasi sila na yung mga summer job po sa amin or kapag Christmas po, ganon.
Tulungan talaga yung pamilya ko when it comes to financial aspect po ng aking pag-aaral. I-share ko lang po, 2 piso lang po yung binabayaran ko every semester dahil po SM po yung nagbabayad ng buong tuition po.
If you love what you're doing, if you love the thing that you're studying, that'll be the most important or crucial aspect of how you'd become successful in life.
Even after the magiging alumni na namin ngayon, is in touch pa rin kami sa SM Foundation. Alam namin na inaalagaan nila kami all throughout mula simula, and I think hanggang sa next chapters pa ng buhay namin.
Be proud of what you have accomplished, but stay humble and focus on what's ahead. Hindi dito nagtatapos ang inyong kwento. Strive to make an even bigger impact in whatever profession you choose.
To SM Foundation and to the C family, maraming salamat po sa tulong na ibinigay niyo po sa akin. Salamat po sa pagbibigay ng opportunity sa mga mag-aaral na nangangarap na kagaya ko po. More power to you po and mabuhay po kayo.
Nagpa-thank you po ako sa SM Foundation, especially sa C family, sa pagtulong sa aking pagtusto sa pag-aaral. Kasi po natapos ko po yung Bachelor of Science in Accountancy na course as cum laude graduate.
Their success today is a powerful symbol of strength, and it fills us with pride to see each of them here celebrating this achievement. Your hard work and goals for your brighter tomorrow inspire us.
Dear scholar graduates, as you embark on this exciting new chapter, remember that the future is what you make out of it. Find a purpose that is bigger than yourself and stronger than your self-doubt. And you will have the power to transform your life and the lives of those around you.
Family and the SM Foundation, I'm very much thankful for granting me this opportunity to be able to grow as a professional and as a person as well.
Very thankful ako kasi kahit nga ito lang kami, marami kaming mga nangangailangan, but then kami yung parang mga nakilik na tulungan nila. And yung tulong talaga nila na pagbibigyan ng scholarship program is malaking aid para sa amin na mapurso namin yung mga dreams namin in general. So I hope na maging fruitful palalo itong binigay nilang opportunity and maging isa kami sa mga simbolo ng success ng program nila.
SM Foundation, we believe in the transformative power of education to uplift the lives of the Filipino people. Our hope is that each one of you will carry on, lifting up your families, making a meaningful impact wherever you go.